Misconceptions in criminal law can arise from various sources, including media portrayals, pop culture, and misunderstandings of legal concepts. Here are 10 common misconceptions in criminal law. 1. Miranda rights always apply upon arrest. Misconception. People believe that Miranda rights must be read at the time of arrest. Reality. Miranda rights, right to remain silent, right to an attorney, etc., only apply during custodial interrogations. If the police arrest someone and do not interrogate them, Miranda rights may not be necessary. 2. Polygraph tests are foolproof. Misconception. Many believe that lie detector tests, polygraphs, are infallible. Reality. Polygraph results are not universally accepted in court due to their lack of reliability. They measure physiological responses that can be influenced by various factors, leading to false positives and negatives. 3. Entrapment as a legal defense. Misconception. People think that any form of police deception constitutes entrapment. Reality. Entrapment involves inducing someone to commit a crime they were not predisposed to commit. Mere deception by law enforcement is not necessarily entrapment. 4. All homicides are murder. Misconception. The terms homicide and murder are often used interchangeably. Reality. Homicide is a broader term encompassing any killing of one person by another. Murder involves unlawful intent, while not all homicides are malicious or criminal, for example, self-defense. 5. Self-defense is always a valid defense. Misconception. People assume that claiming self-defense automatically justifies any level of force. Reality. Self-defense must meet certain criteria, including a reasonable belief in imminent danger and the use of proportional force. Unreasonable or excessive force may negate a self-defense claim. 6. All crimes lead to jail time. Misconception. Every criminal conviction results in imprisonment. Reality. Sentences vary based on factors like the severity of the crime, criminal history, and jurisdiction. Some offenses may result in fines, probation, or other penalties. 7. Insanity always leads to acquittal. Misconception. If someone is found insane, they are automatically acquitted. Reality. Insanity is a complex legal defense, and the outcome depends on jurisdiction-specific laws. It may lead to commitment to a mental institution rather than complete freedom. 8. All evidence is admissible in court. Misconception. People believe that any relevant evidence can be presented in court. Reality. Rules of evidence dictate what is admissible. Improperly obtained evidence, for example, may be excluded. 9. The defense must prove innocence. Misconception. Some believe the burden of proof is on the defendant to prove innocence. Reality. In criminal cases, the prosecution bears the burden of proving guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The defendant is presumed innocent until proven otherwise. 10. Crime scene investigation is always accurate and swift. Misconception. Crime scene investigations are always flawless and quick. Reality. Investigations can be complex, and evidence gathering takes time. Mistakes can occur, and the process is not as speedy as often portrayed in fictionalized accounts. Understanding these misconceptions can contribute to a more accurate and informed perspective on criminal law. Keep in mind that legal principles may vary by jurisdiction, and it's essential to consult with legal professionals for advice specific to a particular case or region.